Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to name your alarms on your iPad, it's a simple process and it helps keep things organized. Whether you need alarms for different tasks or just want a custom label to remind you why you set one, here's how to do it. First, open the clock app and go to the Alarm tab. Tap Edit in the top left corner, then select the alarm you want to rename. You'll see a field called Label. This is where you can enter your custom name. Once you type in what you want, tap Save, and the alarm will now display your custom name whenever it goes off. This can be especially useful if you have multiple alarms set throughout the day. As I've mentioned in previous videos about alarms, you're not limited to using the built-in Apple Clock app. There are plenty of third-party alarm apps on the App Store that offer even more customization. If you need extra features like alarms that require you to solve puzzles before turning off, there are options out there, but keep in mind that Apple's Clock app has the deepest system integration. Some third-party alarms only work as notifications, which means they could be muted by focus mode or other settings. Personally, I always set an Apple alarm a few minutes after my third-party alarm as a backup. That way, if something goes wrong with the external app, I still have a reliable alarm to wake me up. That's all for this one. Hopefully this helped you customize your alarms the way you want. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPad tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.